355. We have Fox team coverage tonight. Jonathan Seri in Atlanta, where the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is trying to prevent a major outbreak in this country. Amy Kellogg in Milan, Italy, shows us what's happening there. But we begin with Fox News business correspondent Susan Lee in New York with the analysis of all the market woes today. Good evening, Susan.
Good evening, Shannon. Worst day on Wall Street in 2 years, with the Dow seeing its third biggest points drop in history, losing over 1,000 points. Meantime, it's the second biggest points loss for the broader S&P 500. The spread of the coronavirus has investors running to safety, with money coming out of stocks, going into gold and into U.S. government bonds. Oil prices falling, with concerns that coronavirus will cause a slowdown in the global economy, a fear that's not shared by the White House. The president just tweeting a short time ago from India that the, quote, stock market starting to look very good to me. The White House trade advisor also weighed in.
With respect to the economic impacts, Maria, I think what we've learned with President Trump's tough stand on China is that the American economy is exceedingly strong and not particularly vulnerable to what happens in China.
With a sixth death reported in Italy and a seventh in South Korea, travel stocks are some of the hardest hit on the day. American Airlines, the worst performer on the S&P 500. Flights have been canceled to China, but with coronavirus now spreading to Italy, there are concerns that European travel will also be disrupted. Royal Caribbean has warned that if all Asia itineraries are canceled, the damage would be 10 times that of Hurricane Dorian.
Was today an overreaction? No, we don't know how much economic damage is going to happen. We don't know how long this is going to last. This is the market trying to calibrate that.
The global outbreak is testing investor anxiety, already concerned that the coronavirus will hurt production and consumption in the world's second largest economy, China. But we should keep things in perspective. Even with today's sharp losses, U.S. stock markets are only roughly 6% away from record highs. Shannon?
All right, Susan Lee in New York. Thank you.